Hello my beautiful people, I welcome you all to today's episode of Learn. So today we'll be considering expansion of algebraic expressions. In the last lesson we solved a problem which involved algebraic expressions. So today we'll be doing something much more simple than we did yesterday, which is expansion of algebraic expressions. So as you stay tuned with me, I hope that we will have the best of our time. So now for our first question, we have a in parentheses multiplied by b plus c. Okay, so a multiplied by b plus c. So let's write that down. Okay, a b plus c. And if we know anything about board maths, when we are dealing with any expression involving brackets, it's always a very good practice to treat that problem in the bracket or within the bracket first. So for an expression like this, we have a outside the bracket and then another expression b plus c embedded within the bracket. So the very easy thing to do is to let the variable outside the bracket multiply everything that is inside the bracket. That means a will multiply b and a will also multiply c. So when we are dealing with expressions like this, we treat the bracket as multiplication. So this will give us equals to a times b. In mathematics it will be a b, then plus a times c, that will be a c. So I hope that is very clear. So this will give us a b plus a c. And that is it with our very first solution. I wouldn't want to waste so much time. So now that we have done that, let's consider our second exercise, number 2, which is 3 bracket a plus 5. And this will give us the 3 multiplied by multiply a will give us 3a plus 3 multiply 5 will give us 15, and this is our solution. So we can see that it is very simple. So it's not a rocket science, it is something everybody can do. So the third one might look a very little more advanced because of the negative sign. So whenever I am dealing with any expression that involves the negative sign, I am always very careful. You know why? Because the negative sign is very powerful. It has the power to change. So when a negative sign multiplies a negative sign, it becomes positive, and when a negative sign multiplies a positive sign, it becomes negative. When a negative sign multiplies negative sign, it becomes positive, and when it multiplies a positive sign, it becomes negative. So with more exercises that we'll do, that will become clearer. So let's proceed with this, please. So here we have minus 5 times a, that will give me minus 5a, and then minus 5 times minus 2 would give me plus 10. So we should take note, whenever a negative sign is multiplied another sign, it changes the sign. So if here was positive, it will change it to negative. So I hope that is very understood. So we will continue with the fourth exercise, and this gives us 3a brackets a minus b. Okay, I hope you're following. So doing this very simply, we will have 3a times a, and that will give us 3a to the power of 2, or 3a squared. Then minus 3a times b will give us 3ab, and this is our solution. I hope that is very understood, very easy and very simple. So for our last exercise, we will have a bracket 2 minus b plus c, 2 minus b plus c. Okay, so doing it the way we have been doing everything else, a times 2, this will give us 2a minus 2b. Okay, that's a times, oh sorry, I made a little error there. So I come again, 2 times a, 2a, then 2 times a minus b, rather, that will give me negative a b, then plus a times c will give me a c. So I'll run through it again. A times 2 gives me 2a, a times negative b will give me negative ab, and a times c will give me positive ac. I hope that is well understood. So, and ladies and gentlemen, this is where we'll be drawing our curtain today on expansion of algebraic expressions. I hope you had the best of time with me today. So stay tuned as we solve more problems, and don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe, as we cannot grow without that participation. Thank you very much, and see you in the next class.